Now we'll go on with the felicitation to the Honorable Governor and Chancellor of Krishna University. Felicitation to our guest of honor, Sri Nara Lokesh Garu. Felicitation to our chief guest and recipient of honoris causa, Sri Mandav Prabhakar Rao Garu. Felicitation to our recipient of honoris causa, Professor MNV Ravikumar Garu. Felicitation to honoris causa, Sri Anil Kumar Chalamal Setti Garu. As we step into the 18th Foundation Day of Krishna University, it is my proud privilege to extend heartfelt gratitude on behalf of this university to each esteemed guest who has graced this convocation with their presence. First and foremost, I express deepest thanks to the Honorable Governor, His Excellency Sri Abdul Nazir Garu, for taking time from a demanding schedule to visit our university for the second time and inspire us with your wisdom and presence. Your words have left an indelible mark on this special day, sir. Our sincerest thanks to the Honorable Minister of Education and Guest of Honor, Sri Nara Lokesh Garu, for sharing an insightful perspective on the future of learning and the role of empowered youth in building a better tomorrow. Your speech has truly sparked motivation among all present here, sir. We are especially grateful to our chief guest, Sri Mandav Prabhakar Rao Garu, for delivering an address that is both thought-provoking and stirring about agriculture and P4 development in Andhra Pradesh. Your achievements and experiences are a guiding light for our graduating students as they step into the world beyond these walls. Thanks are due to our AP State Council of Higher Education Chairman Professor K. Madhumurthy Garu, whose tireless leadership, academic foresight and personal commitment to excellence has shaped our policies towards Swarnandhra 2047. To the recipients of honoris causa, Professor MNV Ravikumar Garu and Sri Anil Kumar Chalamalsetti Garu, your presence has elevated this occasion and reminded us of the strong capabilities and global network of our sons of soil from Krishna district of Andhra Pradesh. I am here reminded of the beautiful Sanskrit phrase, Janani Janma Bhumischa Swargadasi Gariyasi, which translates to Janma Bhuminichina Talli Mariyu Matrubhumi Swargam Kante Kuda Unnatamainavi. Thank you for the beautiful honoris causa awardees and the profound statements that resonate across culture about our sons of soil from Andhra Pradesh. Thanks are due to our Vice Chancellor of Krishna University, Professor Ramji Garu, for your visionary leadership and steadfast commitment that guide this university towards greater heights. I thank the members of the University Executive Council and Academic Senate as your collective wisdom, policy making and governance underpin the very framework on which our university's aspirations rest. I also thank our deans, faculty, parents and guardians, PhD scholars and students, distinguished guests and dignitaries. My sincere gratitude to our Krishna District Collector and Magistrate Sri D.K. Balaji Garu, Joint Collector Mrs. Geetanjali Sharma Garu, our SP Sri K. Gangadhar Rao Garu and the police personnel who have guided Krishna University towards a memorable convocation. I also thank the ASP of Krishna District, Revenue Divisional Officer, Tahsildar, District SC Welfare and Empowerment Officer, District Manager of Markfed, District Sports Development Officer, RDO, Tahsildar of Machilipatnam North and South, District Panchayat Officer, Municipal Commissioner of Machilipatnam, District R&B Engineer, Superintendent Engineer APCP DCL Krishna, Deputy Electrical Inspector, District Fire Officer, District Horticulture Officer, District Civil Supply Officer, Food Safety Officer, District Medical and Health Officer, District Coordinator of Hospitality Services, DPO, DPRO Krishna, Assistant Engineer DPRO, District Forest Officer and District Tourism Officer for your continuous support towards making this convocation a grand success. I also thank the media representatives for capturing the spirit of today's convocation and for sharing our university's story with the broader public of Andhra Pradesh. Finally, I extend deep appreciation to everyone here in small and large ways who contributed to the success of this convocation, volunteers, technical teams, event organizers, and all those who offered support over the past weeks. I also extend warm thanks to our local minister and MLA, Sri Kollu Ravindra Garu, to the Member of Parliament, Sri Balasauri Garu, and the other MLAs and MPs who have made it to this convocation and contributed your might to this place. I thank all of you with one small saying by Sri Gurujad Apparao Garu, who wrote this in 1910. సొంత లాభం కొంత మానుకు పొరుగు వానికి తోడు పడవోయ్, దేశమంటే మట్టి కాదోయ్, దేశమంటే మనుషులోయ్. కృతజ్ఞతలు. ధన్యవాద్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.